Hey everyone, so we got a new math problem that somebody wanted us to solve. It is still working with Common Core math, but it's working with multiplication with more than 2 digits. So I've been doing 1 digit by 1 digit, 2 digit by 1 digit, 2 digit by 2 digit. So today we're gonna do a problem 3 digit by 2 digit and see how that all comes together with Common Core math. So let's go for it. The problem is 14 times 235. So step 1 is to put each number in expanded form. So 14 in expanded form will be 10 plus 4. 235 in expanded form will be 235. Okay? From here, we're gonna go ahead and make our box. Make it pretty big. I'm gonna make it small. Doesn't need to be perfect. Okay, now we're gonna plug in all of our numbers for our boxes. So we are going to do our big number on top with our 3 digits. So we have 235. And then on the side, we're gonna do our 10 and our 4 for our 14. From here, you're gonna multiply everything. So we have our 10 times 200, which is going to be 2,000. Simply just take your two numbers and add your zeros. 30 times 10 is going to be 300. 10 times 5 is going to be your 50. And then moving down, we have 4 times 200, which will give you 800. 4 times 3, which will give you 120. And then 4 times 5, which will give you 20. Okay? So we have all our blocks in. From here, we're going to take everything in our blocks. We're going to put it down so that we can add them across or add them down. So we have 2,000. Go ahead and mark that off. We have 800. Mark that off. 300. Let's mark that off. 120. Let's mark that guy off. 50. Mark him off. And our last number, which is 20. From here, we are going to take everything and add from right to left. So starting in our ones, all the zeros. So we have 0, 0, 0, 2, 5, and 2. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Carry the 1. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So our answer is 3,290. And then if you wanted to see the other way, we'll just do the simple drop down math. So we have our problem 235 times 14. Let's see if we get the same answer, all right? So we have, starting in our ones, 5 times 4 is 20. We have 0 in our ones. 2 needs to go up into our tens. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 more is 14. Carry the 1. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 more is going to give us 9. We are done with our ones place, which means we need a filler for our ones place, and we go to our tens place. So 1 times, you can get rid of these guys, so we're not double doing it. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. Now we're going to add from right to left. Our ones place is 0. Our tens place is 9. Our hundreds place is 9, 10, 11, 12. We need to carry the 1. And then our thousands place is 2 plus 1, which is 3. Did we get the same answer? Yes, we did. Just 2 different methods on how to learn it. I know I've been getting a ton of questions on why do we do Common Core math? And the reason being is for kids and students that are just now learning how to do multiplication, the box method just shows them a visual way to learn it. It gives them that opportunity to learn it. One student might learn this a lot quicker. One student might learn the box method quicker. And there's a bunch of other methods that you could do as well to learn multiplication. So teachers have to show different ways to learn it. And then at the end of the day, at the end of the school year, they end up working with solely this method, but they got to learn the core foundation on where everything was, from the expanded form to grouping it together, working with more zeros so it's easier to solve at the end of the day. Yes, it is a lot more work. Yes, it does take about half a page sometimes, especially when your kiddos have the bigger handwriting. But it does show for a lot of students that it's a better way to learn it visually. And unfortunately or fortunately, every student learns this method first, and then they'll go to what you and I probably learned when we were in grade school. And we did it this way, and our teacher told us that's just the way that it works. Don't ask questions. So we're going back to this is how things can work, and we can answer those questions for our students for math problems. Awesome. So if there's any other problems that you have, place them down in the comments below, or if you have any other questions. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and hit the thumbs up, or which is both. And please hit the subscribe button. It does help our channel a ton to keep us going and hitting our next goal of hitting 2,000 subscribers. We're getting our way there. So let's keep it going. As always, have a great day.